Alright, we're back again to continue with the first 100 questions for higher institution. This is exam revision, and it comprises a lot of topics. We're just using shortcuts and also calculator method in solving it. Now, in my last video, we stopped at question number 16. Today, we are entering question number 17. Now, wherever you are, I want you to stay put. But also, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to watch from the beginning of it to the end. And also, please comment in the comment section and also share it. Thank you so much. Now, can we progress now? Stay tuned. Now, look at question number 17. Now, this is given that A is a set of x, which is a member of real number, such that exponential x is equal to 0, and B is a set of x, which is a natural number, such that n is equal to 0. Now the question says evaluate 8 p of A, p of what? B. Now what I want you to understand is this. The first thing we are going to do is to list the members. Let's start with set what? A. Now the issue, if you observe my last video, the issue now concerning this is that anytime you encounter an exponential x like this, are you with me? Exponential what? X like this equal to 0. And they ask you to list the member under the set. Such exponential does not exist under a real number. The reason is because there is no way a positive value of x as introduced with an exponential and use calculator can give you 0. The same thing, a negative value cannot give you 0. And finally, even if you consider x to be 0, it cannot also produce what? 0. So which means anytime you encounter exponential x equal to 0, now the element is just an empty set. It's just what? An empty set. Now if it is an empty set, can we define the cardinality? What do you mean by the cardinality? The number of items contained in set A. If you observe here, nothing is inside. So which means the cardinality is what? 0. Then next is to consider the power set. Are you with me now? The power set of what? A. The power set of A, watch. This is the formula, 2 raised to power what? NOA. Now the question is this. Do we know NOA? Yes. What is NOA? Is 0. Then I will have 2 raised to the power of what? 0. The answer is what? 1. By the law of indices, anything raised to power 0 is always what? 1. Then we now move to set what? B. Are you with me? Look at set B. That x is a member of natural number such that n is equal to 0. Now my question is, what is a natural number? A natural number is a set of positive whole numbers, and it must start with 1. Addition of 1 to give you 2, increasing from 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5 continuously. But already they have produced one of the values of that n, and they said it's 0. My question is this: can 0 be a natural number? No. It means that this also set B is an empty set. Let's get the cardinality of the set B. Do you have any element here? No. So what is the answer? 0. So in summary, we can say that the power set of B is now equal to 2 raised to power NOB. Are you with me? So let's substitute. I have with me 2 raised to power NOB is what? 0. And anything raised to power 0 is what? 1. According to the law of what? Indices. Now can we get the particular thing that we're looking for? What is that thing? Evaluate 8 P of A. Are you with me? Then P of what? B. I can say it's now equal to, this is 8, right? Times, do we know the power set of A? What is the answer? 1. Times, do we know the power set of B? What is the answer? 1. Finally, I will say 8 times 1 is 8, times another 1 is what? 8. And that is the final word answer. Now, do we have the answer in the option? Now, it can be 3, it can be 7, option B. Wow, the answer is option what? C, which is what? 8. Are you with me now? Now, let's quickly move to question number 17. What did I say? Question number what? 17. Now, what is question number 17 talking about? Look up. Given that set A is x is a member of real number such that exponential x is equal to 0, and B is a set of x which is a member of natural number such that what? N squared is what? 4. Now the question says evaluate 14 P of A, P of what? B. Now let us quickly answer question number what? 18. Now my question is, we are trying to list the member of set what? A. I have defined this in the question number 17. When you see exponential x equal to 0, it has no member, so which means it is an empty set. Then let's get the cardinality, which is the number of items in set A. I believe there is no element, right? It means that it is what? 0. Then can we now observe the cardinality of the power set, which is P of what? A. And P of A is given as 2 raised to power NA. Are you with me? Can we substitute? This will now give us 2 raised to power. What is NA? 0. And the final answer is 1, which is anything raised to power 0 is what? 1. Now let's move to set B. Wow. Set B is this. I want you to observe this. If you watch this now, you find out that the x is a member of natural number. I know that natural numbers are set of positive whole numbers, and they start from 1, 2, 3, and continuous. They said n squared is what? 4. First of all, we are going to define n squared. N squared is what? 4. What is my target? Is to make n subject of the formula. I will now take the square root of both sides. And to the right hand side, it will become plus and what? Minus. Then this square root will cancel 2, power 2, leaving us what? With n. And this is now plus or minus. What is square root of 4, which is 2? Now, if you observe this now, the members are minus 2. Are you with me? And what? 2. But be careful here. We are trying to consider natural what? Numbers, which means we are looking for what? Positive, whole numbers. This is not a natural number, but this is a natural number. So which means the only element in set B is what? 2. Can we get the cardinality? Now the cardinality of set B. How many elements are we witnessing here? Hope is 1. Are you with me now? The cardinality of set B is what? 1. Then let us now get the power set. Power set of B is now equal to 2 raised to power NB. Are you with me? Now, do you know NB? Yes. NB is what? 1. I'll put here 1. Are you there? Then 2 raised to power 1 will give you what? 2. Then can we progress? What are we looking for? Look up. 14 PA PB. I will now bring the question. 14 P of A and what? P of what? B is now equal to, this is 14, right? Times, do we get P of A? P of A, yes. P of A is what? 1. Do we get P of B? P of B is what? 2. Wow, can we proceed? 14 times 1 will give you what? 14. Then what is 14 times 2? It will give you 28, which is the final what? Answer. Can we shift to the option? Do we have 28? No, no, no. Wow, option D. So that is the correct what? Answer. Are you following? Now after that, what do you think that will solve? We now go to question number 19. Question what? Number 19. Question number 19. Now I want you to watch. This is 19. Now 19 is a different thing entirely. This thing is a real number plus plus. What does it stand for? Now I want you to note this, that this is what we call one of the theoretical aspects or analytical aspects of inequality. When you are given real plus plus, it stands for what? That x is a member of real number such that x is greater than what? 0. Am I communicating? Now when something is greater than 0, so which means it will start from 1 and migrate to positive what? Infinity. Are you there now? Positive what? Infinity. Then in summary, I said something before under inequality. Anytime there is no equal to, use what? Bracket. But if there is equal to, use what? Block. Now how do we analyze it using interval notation symbol? I will now say, since this is greater than 0, I will now say it's something as bracket. I'll put 0, then plus what? Infinity. And that is the answer. Am I communicating? Now let us observe in the option. Do you have something like that? Wow. Option A says bracket 0, comma plus what? Infinity bracket. Now this is the final answer, which is option A. Now I want you to note this. This thing has about three that is remaining. Now the next one is, if you are given real plus, real number what? Plus. This is how we define it. That x is a member of real number such that s is greater than or equal to what? 0. If that should be the case now, the symbol will change, right? Since there is an equal to, I will use block. Put 0, comma, then put plus infinity bracket. That is number one, another thing that you should take note. Then what if you have real number minus minus? Am I communicating now? Now how do we appreciate it? We say x is a member of real number such that this one becomes x is less than 0. X is what? Less than what? 0. When something is less than, where is it tending to? It is tending to negative what? Infinity. Then how do we use interval to appreciate this question? I will now say, since there is no equal to, first of all, I will start saying bracket minus infinity, comma. Then, are you with me now? Then 0 bracket. Are you with me now? 0 what? Bracket. Why do we choose bracket? Because it is not bounded. Am I communicating now? Now watch out. There is no equal to. Then you choose what? Bracket. Now in infinity, please, you don't use block for infinity. Do you know why? Infinity, both the negative and the positive aspect, has no end. And because it has no end, it's not bounded, it has no end. You use what? Bracket instead of what? Block. Then we now move to the last aspect of the concept. If you have real number minus, how do we analyze it? This is x is a member of real number. Are you there? Such that x is less than or equal to what? 0. Now, can you observe that there is an equality sign? So how do I use interval for it? I will now say bracket minus infinity, comma. Then I will say 0 block. 0 what? Block. Now, these are the concepts. Now, what I'm trying to relate to you, in case anyone appears, you should know how to tackle it. Now, let's move to question number 20. Question what? Number what? 20. What did I say? Question number what? 20. Question number 20. Now, what is question number 20 says? I want you to observe this. Look up. The question says the sum of an AP is 20. Wow. Sum of an AP is what? 20. Are you with me? Then the question, what is the formula for sum to an AP? Look at it. N over 2, open bracket, 2a plus bracket n minus 1, close bracket, then equal to what? 20. Are you with me? Now let's progress. Now the question says the first term is what? 8. And the common difference is minus 2. So which means anywhere we encounter the first term, what is it? 8. And what is the common difference? Minus 2. Can you permit me to say, maybe cross multiply? I'm not left with n, right? This is 2 times, what is the first term? The first term is what? 8. Then plus open bracket n minus 1. Open again, what's the common difference? Minus 2, close and close again. Then equal to 2 times 20 is what? 40. Now, do you agree with me? Now, we are going to apply what we call calculator what method. If you wish, we can do it fast and the answer will appear. Am I communicating now? Now, watch this. It cannot be negative. Are you with me? Do you know why? Because number of terms can never be negative. Are you with me? So the answer could be B. It cannot be C because there is negative. So we don't have number of terms as negative. Let's say if they ask you now calculate the terms of something, you can't say -1, no, but you can say 1 term, 2 term, 3 times, 4 times continuous. So anyone that possesses a negative answer as far as the number of terms is concerned, please neglect it. It can be this, it can be this. It can be option B, it can be option what? C. But let us do what we call try by error method using calculator. Now there is 4 here, right? There is also what? 4 here. So what I'm going to do now is to try option B using n to be 5. Are you with me? I'm trying option what? B. Option B using n to be what? 5. So if at the end, anywhere I see n, I put 5 and I command this analysis here now, it produces 40. So which means the right answer is option what? B. Now let's go. Bring your calculator, clear the function key, just listen to the voice. How do you clear the function key? Shift 9 3 equal to an AC. Let's start the operation. We are considering when n is 5, right? Remove here, put 1, punch word 5, then open bracket. Am I communicating? You can be easily saying that 2 times 8 is what? 16. I will now point 16. Are you there? Then plus, are you with me? Open the bracket. What is n? N is what? 5. Q in 5. Are you there? Then minus 1. Minus what? 1. Close the bracket. Follow the instruction. Open the bracket again. What do you Q in? Minus 2. Close the bracket. Remember, we have a general close. You close it again. Are you with me? Then punch equal to. Can you see? Wow, it has given me 40. Am I communicating now? It has given me what? 40. Are you with me now? So let me take it again. Let me do what I told you to do using calculator what method. Now watch this now. 2 times this is what? 16. I will now say 5, open bracket, what? 16. Are you there? Then plus 5 minus 1 will give you what? 4. Are you there? Open bracket. This is minus 2, right? Close the bracket. If you don't want to apply calculator now, this is exactly what I did. Try by error method. N is 5. 2 times 8 is 16. This is plus. 5 minus 1 is 4. Open bracket is, let's continue. This is 5, right? I have with me 16. I will now say 4 times minus 2 will give me minus what? 8. Close the bracket. So what is the next thing? I will now say 16 minus what? This will give me 5 times 16 minus 8 is 8. Are you with me? 5 times 8 will give you 40. Can you see that the correct answer in the option is option what? B. Am I communicating? Now let's move to the next question. Question number 21. Question number 21. Are you there? Question number what? 21. Now, look at it. Rational function P of x over Q of x is defined everywhere except. Now, I want you to understand this. What is a rational function? It's just a product of numerator and what? Denominator. And the condition is that the denominator, which of Q of x, cannot be equal to what? 0. What do I mean cannot be equal to 0? The essence is that if this thing should be equal to 0, it does not exist again. So let's say we have 1 over 0, punch a calculator, it will give you math error. 2 over 0, math what? Error. So the condition is that Q of x cannot be equal to 0. But if Q of x should be equal to 0, such analysis is undefined. Now let me tell you something. If you are dealing with the options, check only the denominator and verify. That is the only issue that you are going to do for me. Now this is P of x, we don't need this. Q of x, yes, it can be infinity. Am I communicating? Another one is Q of x not equal to 0. It exists. Look at it. Q of x is not equal to 0. It exists as a rational function. This one also exists as a rational function. But look at this. Q of x is equal to 0. Remember I said when Q of x is 0, it does not exist. Am I communicating? It can exist everywhere except this gentleman, which is option what? D. Now let's go to question number 22. Question number what? 22. I want you to watch. Hope you are following. Number 22. The question says simplify the combinatorial expression. And what is it? 7 combination 4 plus 7 combination what? 7 combination 3 plus 7 combination 4. And let us do it. And they said after doing that, we should express it in form of what? In form of what? 8 n combination r. Now I just want to shock you a little. You don't need any struggle to satisfy this. What you should do is to migrate to the 7. Are you with me? Just say 7 plus 1, then combination, pick the highest number among here, which is 4. Am I communicating? So what will it give you now? 7 plus 1 will give you what? 8. Are you there? Then combination what? 4. Is there 8 combination 4 here? Wow, yes, there is. What is the correct answer? Option what? C. Now, if you doubt this now, let us punch calculator. I want to show you, but just listen to the voice. Now, what do? First of all, you punch 7. Are you there? Next, you punch what? Shift. And punch what? Divide. C will appear. Then you punch 3. Are you there? Then you now add. You now do what? Add. Do likewise. Punch what? 7. Are you with me? Punch what? 7. Are you there? Punch what? 7. I take it again. Punch 7. Punch shift. Punch divide. C will appear. Punch 3. Then you add. Next thing is to punch what? 7 again. Punch shift. Punch divide. And punch what? 4. Punch equal to. So if you do that, the right answer should be 70. Now let's now try 8 combination what? 4. Are you there? Punch what? 8. Punch shift. Punch divide. Are you with me? Then punch what? 4. Punch equal to. Can you see it has still given me 70? So which means the correct answer is option what? C. This is my last video for part 4. Now expect my part 5. Remember I said I'm going to solve first 100 questions. Now we stop at what? Number 22. So in my next video, which is part what? 5 of my video, we are going to consider from question number 23 to the end. Now see you in my next video. Thank you.